I've had this shark in today with poor suction, and the owner has done everything that he's been told to do online, including washing the filters, but he's made a very common mistake when putting it back together. I see this every single week and I think it needs a mention. Now, cleaning the filters is a great idea, but just look at the filters on this vacuum cleaner. They're not just a little bit damp, which would be a bad thing anyway, they are wet through. Now, the trouble is with this, they sit directly on top of the motor. So when you start your motor up, the motor sucks all the moisture out of the filters, and motors and water don't mix. When you clean your filters, we need to make sure they're in a warm, dry place for 24 hours. Buy a spare filter set if you need to use your vacuum cleaner sooner, but don't put them on even if they're slightly damp. If you're unsure of the cleaning process in any way, please click on my next video and I'll show you exactly how I do it. Also, the one above it is showing you how to make your shark and your room smell amazing when you vacuum clean. If you need any help or have any questions, as always, please put them in the comments below.